Somebody recently messaged me. They had bought our scripts product, and they said, Yogesh, how do we get leads? There's an interesting way. So what you could do, there are two ways in fact. So the first way to get leads is through advertising, very powerful way. I suggest this to everybody. And today the beauty of the internet, with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, ad costs have come down so little. You don't need 50 lakhs or 1 crore to start a campaign on TV or newspaper. You could start it with 500 rupees, as little as that you could start an ad campaign. And I believe that's a very good way to get leads. And how do you do it? The best way is, the way you go fishing. When you go fishing, if you observe fishing, they put some bait. So there's a fishing rod, they put some worm or something, they put it out in the fish, and the fish comes, eats it, and you get it. And that's the same thing with advertising. Bigger the budget, bigger your net. So you put out content which is of value to your customer. So let's say if you're selling designing services, you're a freelancer, you're a digital marketer, you're in real estate, even if you're a manufacturer, start putting out content that is related to your business. So if you're in real estate, put out 7 investing mistakes everybody makes before investing in property in whichever region you're investing, or 5 things you need to know before you start an exercise program. Let's say you are an exercise teacher, or 6 mistakes people make before they start yoga. Or if you're selling something for pregnant women, 7 things every pregnant woman should know before she starts her pregnancy, delivery, or whatever. So link content up to whatever you're doing, run a small campaign, target it on the region, and automatically you will start getting leads. That's a very powerful way. The second thing is, if you want leads, organically you want leads, it's very simple. Just go to Google, specifically target whoever you want to reach out. So for example, if you're running, let's say you're running a digital marketing agency, you're running an affiliate, whatever you're doing, target people in your region. Go on Google, you have all these lists, top 100 companies in, XYZ, and start reaching out, drop them an email, connect with them. So today, there's a lot you can do, but start out with these things. Use the advertising model, as I told you, you can do it with very little investment. I know people who have gotten jobs by running ads, So you can run an ad, show it to somebody, you can show, let's say you're in technology, you're an engineer, you can run an ad, show it to the chief technology officers of all the companies you want to go with as little as 500,000, 2,000 rupees, and you can start reaching out. And the other is, of course, you could take lists. So, so you have best places to work, you have all these lists, just target and start working. In the earlier days, I had met some guy, who became one of the biggest insurance people in the world. I said, how do you do it? He says, I just started with A. So you take the phone directory, of people who need insurance companies, and just keep calling. And that's what it is. Getting leads is not really a big challenge. The challenge is, how do you convert those leads to deals? So we have a program called Sales Mastery Systems. It's application based. It's not for everybody, because I believe some of our higher level programs, we want only people who are serious. So some of you who are interested, it's not for everybody again, might be able to check it out. But this is something you could do irrespective of whether you come to our programs or not. This is how you really get leads and move ahead. So go ahead, try it out, and best of luck.